This day 145 is Zohar Pshat, where 2 lines at the bottom of Zion wrote off. It's talking about Moshe getting upset on the Machlokes of Korach. Moshe al derchishu leid lo eskimu Machlokes. Moshe was upset that they denied him and he was not able to come to agreement that Machlokes. But that's just anger. Ma'od, that Moshe Ma'od, al derchishu uvda debrachis. That Korach denied the gulos which were put into the land to the world by Ma'aser Brachis, as we explained last time. Korach denied everything. Be'ela v'tata, on high and below. You can't argue on Moshe and Aaron and say that you're not arguing on Kodesh Baruch Hu. The Chusi Batzosem al Hashem. By Meir Chavdal, it says that they were instigating against the Kodesh Baruch Hu. Hatata Be'ela, the below and above. But that's why Korach was clung in his punishment to that which is appropriate to him to go down to Gehenna. Machlokes is taken gegavne the Elah. A machlokes which is on the other hand properly appropriate, like it's supposed to be on high. V'solik, it goes up. It's a positive thing. Below nochis doesn't go down. V'skayim baruch meshar and is sustained in a proper way. The machlokes Shammai below. It's Machlokes Shammai Hillel. Now, according to the Tzutze Zohar, there's talking about the Machlokes in whether of Shammai and Hillel is Shammai Nivut Chila Arts Nivut Chila. Without getting into details, what's interesting is that the Picker Rabbi Lezer and Perikut Ches, he brings down here in Tzutze Zohar, says that Shammai and Hillel came to an agreement that they're both created simultaneously. So the idea of Machlokes same Shamayim is that one can actually come to a resolution. Now, most of Machlokes is Shammai and Hillel, Beis Shammai, Beis Hillel, do not come to a resolution, except that we pass on Beis Hillel. But that's not the point. The point is that the Machlokes is Mitzchayim because they treated each other properly and was done l'shem Shamayim. So every Machlokes is recorded for eternity as part and parcel of Talmud Torah. The Machlokes is considered to be a Machlokes which is Divrei Elokim Chaim. So it's Machlokes Korach V'Adoso, which is not considered Divrei Elokim Chaim, even though it's part of Torah because we're supposed to learn from their error. It's not like part of Torah where we're supposed to learn from their shitas. Very different type of kiyum. So Kuchabricha Avish now B'Skimlon, V'Dem Machlokes Dem Shamayim, because it ended up in the agreement. But again, even when they don't agree, it's still Machlokes Dem Shamayim. That happens in a case where the full system, so to speak, operated, and it came to a happy conclusion. But the conclusion is also happy if it remains an argument, as long as it's done l'shem Shamayim. So, in fact, the Sulam does not bring down this whole connection to the Machlokes about whether Shammai nibud tchila or it's nibud tchila. It sounds like just any Machlokes Shammai and Hillel is l'shem Shamayim. V'Shammai, Adon Machlokes same Shamayim. V'Shamayim afrish Machlokes. And the Shamayim is the I guess the word would be smooth out, like froze the Machlokes. Therefore it's sustained. V'toy begavnu the Brachis, and this is in the manner of the Brachis. Now, again, like I said, according to the Tzutze Zohar, that means that the Machlokes was resolved, and they came to an emek hashava. They came to a proper resolution, and everybody was, so to speak, happy. But again, using the flip side, the idea of Beis Hillel, Halacha Beis Hillel, is also an ideal operation of the Sheish Mei Brachis principle, and that's what the Sulam points out, which is that the right is takes precedence over the left. Kaviyachol Beis Hillel is Midas Chesed, Beis Shammai is Midas Adin, and Halacha is like Beis Hillel. But Halacha is Beis Hillel in a way that Beis Shammai doesn't. Is not lost. Beis Shammai's shita is included in Torah, like we said, and there are even some cases very paskin like Beis Shammai. As long as the chesed is the primary operative force, din can be subjugated in chesed and encompassed by chesed, and it can therefore find its proper place in the world. And occasionally, even it is the halacha. Because as long as the chesed and din, the right and the left, are properly mediated by the harmony of Tiferes in the middle. So then things will work out properly, and everything will be serving Hashem and bring Kavod Shammai to the utmost, which is what the Machlokes and the Gemara do, which Machlokes Chazal do all the time. A Machlokes L'Shem Shamayim means there is a side which wins, a side that loses, but everybody wins in the end. That's this idea of, I think, much more than the Pirkei Rebbe Lezer's, and they all came to agree, is this idea of Hillel and Shammai's Machlokes representing Uvda de Bereshis, which we're learning till now. And V'doy gav de Bereshis, V'korach b'Uvda de Bereshis, Ikash b'Kula. The Korach is and Uvda de Bereshis unite everything. U'plukta de Shamayim hava, and he was arguing on Shamayim. Uvala Chashmil Raisa, and he wanted to deny towards the Torah, but Daibi Stabkusa de Gehenim Hava. He was certainly clinging to Gehenim. But there's that by day, so Gehenim clung to him. But Rozada Besafra Adam, and this is evidently in the Sefer Adam, the Sefer Tolos Adam, which is the master plan of the Bria, which has the entire chronicle of history from the beginning, which is given to Adam Rishon. That evidently entails this idea that there's Machlokes Shem Shemaim, which is going to be Miskayim properly, which we're going to learn more about actually in the next few lines, and Machlokes Shem Shemaim, which is Korach, which is also part and parcel of the Limud, where how to conduct Machlokes, and it's going to be Mekuyim, how to conduct Machlokes, and it's going to be bring one side down to Gehenim. So again, Machlokes Shem Shemaim, both sides end up losing, and the winning side end up in Shamayim. One side is going to end up perhaps in both sides. Can't even get him. Okay, like I said, it's going to go on to describe in greater detail still, but we'll stop here for today.